Ah, good afternoon. It is February 16th, 2000. Oh, I'm sorry, February 4th, 2016. Getting ahead of myself there. All right, what's up, guys? It's been a while since I've made a last video. I've kind of been in the background, just you know, observing and tweeting here, tweeting there, but I haven't made a video in a long time. So I want to start the year off right, and make a video. And here we go. Um, I want to start off with the dollar index because, as you guys know, that's like one of my favorite pairs to trade, or one of the things that I follow the most. Um, the dollar index on the daily chart. Here we have a daily chart of the dollar index. It's been in a strong uptrend for quite some time now, and it's just kind of been rocking back and forth in a range for quite some time now. Um, if you guys follow my last video, you guys know that Chris is a bull all across the board, a dollar bull. I'm all about buying up US dollars. So I think I'm gonna stick with that bias and look for opportunities to buy. And I think today is one of those opportunities to kind of put on a little bit of position position size in the dollar index. Why is that? Well, here's what I think is happening. I don't think that this sell-off is a bear trend per se. I think it's more a correction than anything in the overall uptrend. I personally see the dollar going much higher. How high? To 105. So I actually see something like this, 105. Maybe 110. If it really gets going, right? That's what I think is happening. So, in the background, I'm buying up dollars right now, tiny position size, and I'm trying to build it for a move higher. Uh, let's talk about the pound dollar, right? Pound dollar. I've been trying to short that last up until last week, but it rocketed to the upside at the beginning of this week. I'm not sure really why the pound is so strong. Yeah, maybe a lot of it has to do with dollar weakness. Yeah, I get that. But this pair is very, very bearish to me. Um, do I think that we can do something like this? Probably not, from 145 to 155. No, I don't think that's what the case is. I think what this is just a correction in a larger down move. So I think that the British pound drops even further, maybe cracks the 140, and trades below that for 2016. This is an opportunity to short. Just waiting for the market to kind of die off and the dust to settle, and I'm gonna jump right on the shorts right there. Um, what else do I want to talk about? That's interesting. Okay, USDJPY. Let's look at the yen, shall we? Dollar yen. Oh my God! Listen, I have been a bear on this pair for quite some time. I think risk aversion is gonna jump into place. Markets, as you know, they don't move in straight lines per se. They rock back and forth and kind of slowly work their way in that direction. you know, I think that we're rocking back and forth to break to the downside. That's honestly what I think is happening. So I think we do a little something like this, do a little something like that, do a little something like that, right? Back to 110 from where it is right now, on a risk aversion move. Of course, this is going to affect the Nikkei, it's going to affect the Dow Jones, it's going to affect the S&P, all the major indexes. But I think risk aversion is going to come into play, and when that happens, it's going to affect, it's going to affect the yen and it's going to affect the dollar, and investors are going to want to flock to those two safe havens. So I think we're in an unwinding stage. right now. So last pair I want to talk about is USCAD, my neighbor. You know, Canadian dollar. Okay, honestly, I'm a bull on this Canadian dollar. Um, Looking to buy some as soon as I finish making this video. I'm gonna buy some Canadian dollars right at this where it is right now, 137. You know, 137 and a half maybe. You know, I actually see this rocketing back up to the upside over the long term. I think this is a buying opportunity, and I'm going to take advantage of that. Small position size, of course, guys. You know, I don't go balls deep right away. I build it slowly, and you know, to me that's the best way to do it. If you go too heavy too quick, you know, then you have to unwind your position size because you're too heavy. You know, when you start off small and build into it, okay, then you can kind of have that flexibility that you need, you know, with the position. So a bull on USCAD. I think, yeah, I think it's time to buy USCAD. Pound, not time to sell yet, but definitely USCAD, it's time to buy. Yeah, guys, so you know, that's the video. You guys can make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. You know, that's a picture of me. Yeah. You know, hashtag, well, username FX World Boss. You know, you can check out my feed and see what I'm doing, what I'm thinking, and you know, yeah, just you know, just follow me and keep up to date. But yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I'll catch you guys later.